Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the hardware and SIM. Make sure the Airtel Imagine unit is unlocked and supports MTN 4G/LTE bands. Power it down, then insert the active MTN SIM into the primary slot. Once the SIM is in, disable the SIM PIN on a phone or keep it ready. Now power on the Imagine, connect via Wi-Fi, and open 192.168.1.1 or the Imagine app. Log in with admin credentials. This gets you to the control panel where you'll take the first configuration actions. Once logged in, set the device to use the MTN SIM slot and select 4G or auto network mode so the router prefers LTE. Next, go to APN settings. Create or edit an APN entry, name it MTN, enter the APN string MTN or the correct APN your region uses, and set authentication to PAP or PAP/CHAP. Save the profile and apply. If the device can't register, run a manual network scan and pick the MTN operator, or update firmware to ensure compatibility with modern network bands. Save your settings and reboot the Airtel Imagine so the MTN profile applies cleanly. Once it restarts, run a speed test and open several websites to confirm connectivity. Then secure the hotspot. Set a clear SSID, strong WPA2 or WPA3 password, and enable data usage alerts to monitor consumption. If you don't get internet, recheck the APN and ensure the SIM PIN is disabled. Test the SIM in a phone to confirm data works, and switch network mode to 3G briefly. This single check usually reveals whether it's the SIM, APN, or device.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.